Hello to all you campers out there looking for a personal camping water filter. Here's the Life Straw with the dimensions of 1 inch by 9 inches and weighs only 2 ounces, made from BPA-free plastic. Easy to carry in your pocket or backpack, great for hikers, campers, survivalists, and disaster relief. The Life Straw is the perfect personal camping water filter. With this, you can drink right from streams and lakes or wherever you can find water. The Life Straw filters 1,000 liters of contaminated water without iodine or other chemicals. Yes, this Life Straw is a chemical-free filtration system which exceeds EPA standards for water filters, filtering particles of 0.2 microns and removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne parasites. You can get more information by clicking the link below. Also, find out how you can get a free survival kit, a $17.97 value. Just click the link below.